Hi everyone, good evening, Jai Hind. This session is for the students of grade 7th and 8th and their parents. We are going to launch Olympiad Math Mastery Level 5 for grade 7th, grade 8th, and also for the students of grade 6th who have done grade 7th, grade 6th syllabus already. This is a start of their foundational years. The core philosophy that we follow in senior batches, including level 5, is to make students good problem solvers, to make them good in logic, to make them very comfortable in mathematics. So if you're good in mathematics, you will fall in love with mathematics after attending this batch. And if you fail mathematics, you will start falling in love again. So level 5, OMM level 5 is Olympiad Math Mastery level 5. Normally, we offer it to the students who are in grade 7th and 8th and some potential students of grade 6 also. This is the journey, how it looks like. So level 5 is the start of the senior VOS batches, and entry is open to the students of grade 7th and 8th. And the core philosophy is building logic. The Olympiad exams that we make students target are Math Kangaroo, NMTC, and AMC 8. This next level is level 5, followed by level 7 and 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is how the journey goes. हम यहाँ पर ये बोलते हैं कि बहुत सारे बच्चों का एस्पिरेशन जेई होता है, IIT JEE होता है. So after level 7, we say the students who want to get into JEE, who want to prepare for JEE, they can start the JEE preparation. If they want to get deep into mathematics, then of course level 8, 9 and 10 is what they can do. So we're talking about level 5, जिसका बैच अब अभी हम शुरू करने वाले हैं in the next few days. So is this batch for you? If you enjoy solving mathematics, you are curious to learn what is beyond school, there are a lot of topics which might not be given in your textbooks, but if you're good in mathematics, believe me that there are students across the globe of your age who are already learning these particular topics. And of course, it is going to help you build logic in a very good way. It is going to start your Olympiad preparation. The official Olympiad of India, which is IOQM, it lays a very strong foundation for that. It lays a very strong foundation even for your JEE preparation. And if you think and dream of studying in India's top institutes like IIT JEE, like ISI, CMI, and even aspire to get into the foreign universities, this is the start that you cannot miss. And level 5 is what we're going to start. So level 5 का बैच बच्चों 3rd August से start हो रहा है. This is going to start from 3rd of August. The language is going to be English. It is going to be taken by me. What happens here? So the classes are going to be 3 days a week, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 7 to 8:30 p.m. It is going to have 50 plus live classes. Additionally, there'll be 15 plus 10 sessions for exclusively for the students who are going to prepare for NMTC. So these are optional sessions apart over and above these 50 sessions. Assignments are going to be provided for every lecture. There are written solutions, there are video solutions also. There are going to be tests also, monthly reports, and the students and parents are going to be added to a Telegram community wherein any doubt, not only regarding what we are teaching, but anything in general is going to get resolved. Right, so the math contest that we target are NMTC, AMC 8 and Math Kangaroo. Of course, the school math definitely are going to get covered. So what will be covered in this particular batch? So we teach algebra, geometry, number theory, arithmetic, and combinatorics. Now, some of these topics might be a part of the school curriculum. Some of them might be studying in grade 8, grade 9th, grade 10, depending on what board you are in. But we believe that at this age, yes, sabhi ke sabhi topics, all these topics can be learned, can be easily absorbed by the students. And these are some of the topics which basically start their problem-solving journey. So we'll be covering identities, linear equations in 2 variables, 1 variable system of equations. We'll be introducing polynomials, quadratic equations. We are going to derive all the basic things, right? So the only thing that we do is we do not give direct formulas to the students. We give them the stories behind those formulas and let students derive this. This is the sole motto of this particular course. Geometry, we are going to introduce a lot of amazing geometry techniques which might not be there in their school curriculum. Number theory, again, number theory, normally Indian students are very weak at because the number theory is kind of missing in the school system. We start with unit digits, HCF, LCM, divisibility rules, divisibility, divisors. Now, divisibility rules, a lot of students might be knowing those divisibility rules. For example, a number is divisible by 3 if the sum of the digits is divisible by 3, and a lot of students know that. But again, why does it happen? So we focus on the whys. We make students, get into the whys behind the things. That is the core philosophy that we follow in mathematics. Exponent surge, playing with numbers and Diophantine equations, combinatorics. We introduce factorials. This is something that students, love doing. We also make them, derive the formulas for divisors and all of these things. Some of these things might be there in grade 11, but again, this combinatorics part is all about logic, and logic ko build karne ke liye we introduce combinatorics at this particular age. Now, after the batch, the learning outcomes are going to be, the child is going to be having a very strong Olympiad foundation. Is going to improve his logical thinking skills, problem solving, the problems which are new to him, which is not seen before. He will be able to start doing those problems. NMTC and AMC ATD, these are the good math contests which happen in India and US. And IOQM Foundation, it is going to lay a very strong foundation for the official Olympiad of India, which is IOQM. These are some of the messages which have been put by the students who have taken this course already, and these are heartfelt messages. You can have a look at these, some of these messages, and the students have gained a lot over the last 4 or 5 years since the time we've started with level 5. These are some of the results, visible results. So NMTC, we had 22 selections, round 2. That is the final round. At this level, sub-junior level, which is 7th and 8th, we had ranked 6, 10, 11, and 12 this year. And of course, the batch price is 10,999 rupees. And there's another version. That is all the assignments, e-assignments, we have put in the form of a book. So if you want that book to be shipped to your place, then the batch price is 11,499. यहाँ पर e-books मिलेंगी, यहाँ पर उन्हीं books का, मतलब e-books तो मिलेंगी, but there'll be hard copy also, which will be sent to your place. Okay. Now there is a weekend version of the same batch, right? So same batch we run on weekends, and this is the weekend version. It is going to start from 6th of August. Exactly same thing, just that the classes are going to happen 2 days a week on Saturdays and Sundays. This is for the students who do not have time. During the weekdays, they have, schools and other activities going on. If they're free on Saturdays and Sundays, the live classes are going to happen from 5 to 6:30 p.m. and everything else is going to be the same. This batch is taken by Anirudh sir. He is probably the only teacher in India who is bachelor's and master's both from Indian Statistical Institute, right? So we call it level 5 weekend batch. So yes, the links to join both of these batches are there in the description box. The prices are the same, 10,999 for without book, and if you want the book version, then it is 11,499 rupees. Okay, so the links to join this, as I mentioned, are there in the description box, and you can check the links and get yourself enrolled in these courses. If there are any other doubts, there's a Google form also. You can fill the Google form. Our team is going to get in touch with you and are going to resolve all your queries. Take care. God bless you. And for the students who are joining, I'm really excited about the first class, which is going to start from 3rd of August. Take care. Bye, everyone.